Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. Are you tired of cheap scanners that only read basic codes and leave you guessing the real problem? Well, today, I've got something special for you, the LAUNCH CRP123I V2.0 Elite OBD2 Scanner. If you're a car enthusiast, mechanic, or just tired of guessing why your check engine light is on, this might be the tool you've been waiting for. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. This is not your average OBD2 scanner. The CRP123I V2.0 Elite is an advanced diagnostic tool from Launch, known for its durability and pro-level features, but at a price that even dyers can afford. It supports for system diagnostics, engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS, covering the essential components for accurate vehicle analysis. Let's talk features because this tool is stacked. Full OBD2 functions: read, clear codes, freeze frame, IM readiness, auto sensor test, evap system, and live data streaming. For system diagnosis, quickly pull trouble codes and live data from the engine, transmission, airbag SRS, and ABS. Wi-Fi updates. No need to connect to a PC. Just use your home Wi-Fi to update the software. Android touchscreen. It's powered by an Android-based system, so it feels more like a tablet. Graphing live data. You can graph data in real time, great for spotting intermittent issues. I also love the AutoVIN feature, which instantly detects your vehicle's information. No need to enter it manually. This scanner supports most 1996 and newer vehicles, both domestic and imported, including OBD2 compliant cars, SUVs, and light trucks. It covers over 10,000 models globally. Pros: easy-to-use touchscreen interface, fast diagnostics with clear definitions, free lifetime software updates, supports for critical systems, durable and compact design. Cons: doesn't support advanced ECU coding or bidirectional functions. Touchscreen can lag without updates. Limited to for systems. If you're a dyer, car enthusiast, or a beginner mechanic looking for a tool that goes beyond basic code reading, but without breaking the bank, the LAUNCH CRP123I V2.0 is a solid choice. So that's my hands-on review of the LAUNCH CRP123I V2.0 Elite. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use scanner that covers the essentials and gives you pro-level insights, I'd say this one is definitely worth checking out. If you want to grab one, check the link in the description. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.